morning. I'm so happy to see you today. I'm excited, obviously excited every day, but today is gardening. We're having a slight twist on gardening. It's got a little bit of artwork in it too, but we will get to that. But first of all, are you ready to welcome in the day? Get your sun, or do you remember I'd made a sun for the other weekend when it was summer solstice? I'm going to use my sun. Maybe you could make a sun and we could use a drawing of a sun for our morning welcome song. What a great idea. Ready? The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien y tú también. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Me, I'm fine and you are too. Good morning, how are you? How are you? But what good morning is it today? What day is it today? Let's take a look at the calendar. So, if yesterday was Wednesday and tomorrow will be Friday, it means today is, today is Thursday. Thursday. Can you help me please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Today is Thursday, June 25th. Hoy es el jueves, el 25 de junio. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo, son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What is the weather like today with you? Oh, well, here it's been very sunny today actually, with a little bit of rain and some clouds, but I'm going to sing about the sun. So you choose the word you want to sing about and we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today, and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. So today it's gardening, but we are actually doing a little bit of artwork with our gardening today. So today we are going to go out and collect some leaves or some flowers, any kind of nature that's out there for you, because we are going to do some printing, some plant printing. Let's take a look. So first of all, to print today, what we did was we went outside this morning and collected some mostly leaves. I didn't really pick any flowers because a lot of our flowers have, with the heat, they've kind of shriveled up and died out, and I wanted to be able to get something with a good print on it. And a lot of the time with leaves, they've got kind of the veins in the background. I thought they might print very well. So these are the leaves that we chose. And also on our tray today, it's very simple. I just have a paintbrush. I have some blue and some green paint. This is just an acrylic paint, but you can use any type of paint really. And watercolor might not stick so well, but I mean, try it. You could also use ink from a stamping pad too. That would work really well. And I have some copy paper underneath. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to move my leaves to the top of the table in my tray. Take my paintbrush out. And I'm going to choose a piece of paper. And I'm going to choose one of my leaves, and I think I might take one of the ones with the veins in it. And I'm going to paint the underside of the leaf in green, I think. Painting, painting, painting on my leaf. Painting, painting, painting on my leaf. Now this piece of paper, I should have said before, this is to catch all the paint. So I'm not actually going to print on this piece of paper, I'm going to print on another piece. But this will actually make quite a cool outline. Now I don't know, do you remember when I said that the weather was really crazy today? Off subject. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's just started thundering and raining really heavily outside. So it was sunny just a moment ago, and now it's thundering and raining. So now I've painted the leaf. Let's take a look at the pattern it makes just on the paper. Kind of cool, huh? I like what comes up with just on the pieces of paper that you rest on it art with. And then all we're going to do is take another piece of copy paper, and we're going to print the leaf. Push it down. Now sometimes it's really nice to take a few prints of the same leaf, because sometimes there's too much paint on the first time, but let's take a look at what it does. Beautiful. And there we have our printed leaf. Now you might have seen some things very much like this in the stores when you go and buy some artwork. So the really lovely thing is you can leave this to dry and you can frame it and put it up on the wall. You could make lots of different prints of different leaves. I hope you have so much fun printing your leaves. I can't wait to see them. So I have a lovely little Spanish poem that has some movements, and I'm going to put the link in the description. And as we were printing with leaves mainly today, that's what I chose to print with, I thought it would be nice to say a little poem about leaves and a tree in Spanish. So here we have our leaves, and it goes like this. Soy un árbol. Tengo hojas. Viento. 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 Una hoja se cae. Soy un árbol. Tengo una hoja. Viento. 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 Otra hoja se cae. Soy un árbol. No tengo hojas. Let's do our pranayama breathing today as if we were a tree blowing in the breeze. So I'm going to breathe in and then out, blowing in the breeze. Ready? And in. Shoulders up and down your back pockets. My friends, don't forget to join us tomorrow. We are making some Peruvian friendship bracelets. So you just need some embroidery thread or some yarn, anything you have that can make friendship bracelets with. I can't wait to see you then. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.